Good evening, I'm Jennifer Griswold. The Nebraska Department of Health and Human Services is planning a massive transition within their child welfare management services. They're switching the outside provider they've had for 10 years to a new one by this coming January. Ruta Olsenaida has more on the transition that has many worried but still hopeful.
Today, the Nebraska Department of Health and Human Services hosted an upbeat open house for their new location that services Douglas and Sarpy counties. But just yesterday, an intense town hall meeting took place to discuss the major transition of power within child and family services.
I thought that the town hall meeting went very well.
It was a time for people to express their opinions and learn about the new company taking over that sector.
Again, we want to hear from the community what you're using, what is working, how we can partner together.
The new contractor taking over is St. Francis Ministries, based out of Kansas.
I think they're going to do fine. I think that they are doing all the right things. They are meeting with key stakeholders. They're out in the community. They're making sure that the model that they use is adaptable for Nebraska and particularly for the Eastern Service Region.
However, such a transitional period has many worried that with all of this going on, children will get left behind in the process.
I think anytime you have a transition of this magnitude, there could be cracks.
And that jobs will be on the line.
We want the employees of both of the organizations to really think about what an opportunity this is for Omaha and for Sarpy County.
While this transition is huge,
we recognize that transition is difficult for everybody, but it's a part of life, and we want them to come and join us.
The DHHS says it's the right choice.
The Department of Health and Human Services has thought long and hard about this transition, that we have put things into place. We've put strategies into place, we've put systems into place to make sure that this goes off with minimal hitch.
I think anytime that we disrupt families or have families in limbo due to a systemic issue, it's counterproductive and it goes against what we're supposed to be doing. But I think if it's done the right way and it's for good reasons, I think a change could be good.
One other possible roadblock, the current company handling these services, Promise Ship, has sued to block the transition, saying St. Francis' bid for the contract doesn't meet state requirements. Reporting in Omaha, Ruta Olsenaida, 3 News Now.
The next town hall meeting will be taking place Wednesday, August 7th. We will have all the information on that meeting for you on our website, 3newsnow.com.